Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining a Inspire Award winning science project. This science project is really innovative. The way in this model we are trying to generate electricity that too on the street roads, which is highways. So how we are going to generate electricity by using highways is very interesting topic. So I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to generate the electricity by making use of the vehicles which is passing on the road. That is very interesting here. So for that, in order to generate electricity, we have implemented a vertical generators. These are vertical turbines basically. So these vertical turbines, what happens is whenever the vehicles move fast, these turbines will start rotating. Whenever these vertical turbines start rotating, what happens? There is electricity is going to generate. So that electricity generation, we can use it for running our street lights, or even we can save that energy, or we can transform, or we can send that electricity to somewhere else as well, because this is completely free of energy. We are just utilizing these highways for generating the electricity for this purpose, and this is very innovative and creative as well. So I am going to demonstrate how this vertical axis wind turbines really works. So in order to demonstrate, so what we want to do is, so we have used the vacuum cleaner. So we are going to blow the area. Whenever we blow the wind, what happens? This will start rotating. So we are going to demonstrate in that way. So now we can see there is a light is glowing. So whenever we pump the area, and we are seeing the lights glowing here. So that is the overall purpose of this working model, where you can generate electricity. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.